Hello everyone! Welcome back to Manta Marketing's video. You don't want to open multiple Chrome windows to perform actions for each X account to make them appear active. It's too time-consuming and not an efficient way to work. Today, I will introduce MKTX's software that manages and grows X accounts with real engagement at scale, fully automated. The software allows you to run and use multiple X accounts simultaneously, combined with proxies to assign a unique IP address to each account. To use it, select the Account Interaction feature. You need to start by creating a scenario that includes multiple different actions. This is beneficial for your X accounts. Some actions I recommend you choose include checking notifications, browsing the feed, reacting to posts, following users, and reposting. Actions that involve leaving comments will be reserved for later interaction scenarios, as this is the initial scenario for new accounts. The total number of actions I selected is 16. I will configure the account to perform 10 random actions out of the 16. Set the interval between two actions to 30 to 60 seconds. Save it. Next, select the X accounts you want to use. Choose Script. You can choose to retrieve account information or repeat the entire set of actions after a certain period of time. The final step is to click Start to let the software complete the task. You will have more free time while your X accounts continue to generate real engagement automatically. If you would like to try this software, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram for support. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in the next videos.